Good evening, everyone. Hope you guys are doing absolutely fine. I'm Shaurya and I welcome you back to this channel again. Today is Sunday, the 31st of May 2026, and I'm here to make a new announcement. I'm starting a new video series where on every Friday or Sunday of the week, I will come and share a list of stocks that you can track for the coming week. This will, of course, benefit swing traders immensely, and I wish you derive a lot of value out of it. This content will remain free indefinitely, but if you wish to understand the nitty gritties, if you wish to understand how I am arriving at these list of stocks, and you want to discuss this in detail with me, please drop me an email on the email flashing on your screen, and I will also put it in the description box below. You can connect with me one on one. I, of course, have multiple sessions with a lot of people over the weekend, wherein I teach them technical analysis. I teach them the art of trading, and yeah, if you wish to connect, we can definitely hop on a call, and I can help you out with your trading journey. Anyways, with that context aside, let us quickly dive into the video and let's look at the disclaimer very quickly. I'm not a SEBI registered research analyst. Any stock, script, asset class, security I'm talking about in this video is not a buying or selling recommendation. This is primarily from an educational standpoint and will continue to be like that. Please conduct your own research, consult a qualified financial advisor before you make any financial investment decisions. With that context aside, let's look at our first stock. Ticker name is on the left. I'm not going to read that out. Please take a look at it. I'm just going to give you a rationale of why this stock has popped up, why you should track it. I'm not doing any fundamental analysis. I'm not doing any sectoral or comparative analysis. This video is only based on price action. So if you're a swing trader, this is beneficial for you. AYE, that's the ticker name. Linear leg up. Not a lot of volume when it comes to the linear leg up. That means institutions were accumulating it, in discretion. Post which we have, a very strong move on this day, 10%, highest volume ever, in fact. And after that, the stock has been consolidating in this particular range. We had, few breakout attempts, but they failed. The sellers took, the front seat here, and the buyers took a step back. The stock started plummeting down and then took support here. So this is the lowest level, which is about 122, which is in the base. Post which we have seen multiple attempts for a breakout, but we have failed. So far, it looks very healthy to me. Nice consolidation happening on the right side. Low volumes, very, very low interest in the stock so far. Not popular on Twitter at all, which is a great sign. You can definitely track this for a bigger move. Next one, Senoris, from the pharmaceutical space, so naturally showing relative strength. Great linear move here. We've had a good consolidation here, post which we saw a breakout. Breakout was not as strong as expected, post which we saw some nice linear moves here, especially on this day. 15th of May is when the stock went up by 10%. Subsequently, the next day was followed by a 7.5% move on very high volumes, a pocket pivot level for sure. Post which we are seeing a healthy consolidation on the right side. The stock is dropped by about 12% from its highs, in the base, which is a great sign. Not a very healthy base, I must say, but definitely a different high tide flag structure which you can trade. And stock is consolidating near its highs, which is a great sign. Volumes are dropping. There is price compression, there is volume compression, which is extremely attractive to me. So definitely track this for a bigger move. Mark your levels and trade it properly. Next one, FedFina. Breakout on high volumes has already happened. We are seeing a nice price compression and a volume compression with a small structure forming on the right side. If you go to a lower time frame chart, you will see a nice VCP sort of pattern on the 75-minute and the 15-minute chart. But definitely worth tracking. We have a few inside bars here as well, which gives me a lot of confidence, and the volumes are dropping, so which is a good sign. Next one, Inox India, belongs to the right industry group, chemicals, specialty chemicals, and that space has been, that pocket has been doing phenomenally well. We had a major breakout, in fact, from this large consolidation, post which we saw a nice linear up move with very high volumes. Soon after, we saw that the base on the right side has been consolidating and forming really well. We don't have any falling windows, which is a great sign, but we do have high volume moves with the large red candles, which is not very great, but definitely worth tracking. Should it absorb this overhead supply on the left and trap buyers are out of the stock, this can definitely go much higher. That is the notion. Moving ahead, Genus Power again belongs to the right industry group and very strong relative strength when it comes to this particular sector. Names like Power India, names like ABB, etc., are doing extremely well in the space. This may be a direct beneficiary again, showing a nice linear move, post which we saw a nice healthy consolidation. Consolidation was also extremely healthy because we just dropped by 12% from the highs. Stock has been showing low volumes recently, and there is no chatter about it on Twitter, which is a good sign again. So definitely track it for a bigger move. 333 becomes a key level for me personally. Post which you can definitely take in your positions or track for a bigger move, etc. So that's one. Next one is Suzlon, stock market's favorite and hero stock. Nice linear move followed by a healthy consolidation on the right. Again, good base because it did not drop as much, 11 to 13% drop from the highs. Now we're seeing a nice move and some consolidation near the highs with very high volumes, and I think it is definitely a large part of it can be attributed to the earnings growth that the stock has displayed and the estimates that it has beat. Next one, Sirma. We had a nice cup and handle breakout on this stock very recently, followed by a very high volume purchasing and buying. We had results post which the stock plummeted quite a bit. Results were fairly decent. We had good earnings and sales growth, but it did not match the expectations of the street, post which we saw a major beating in the stock. IT in general has not been doing very well. This is a tech company. Again, I'm not going to get into the specifics of what they do and the industry groups, but yes, they're into technology. It's been consolidating really well on the right. A lot of price compression, a lot of inside bars with very low volumes, which is a very, very healthy sign for me. Personally speaking, I would probably initiate a trade already on the last trading day, which was Friday, and I expect a nice move on Monday tomorrow. ABB again doing phenomenally well. This gap, which was created on the result day, has now been filled with the extremely high volumes. A lot of institutions taking interest in this stock is my notion. And should these overheads, should these trapped buyers and this overhead supply be absorbed, this can see much higher levels than where it is trading today. So yeah, that is pretty much it from this video. This is how the structure and format will be, wherein I'll just be discussing a few stock names, giving you a little bit of understanding of the price actions. Like I said, should you wish to understand this in a little more detail, want to understand how did I arrive at these list of stocks, please feel free to drop me an email. You have it in the description box. You have it on the screen again. And that is pretty much it for this video. Yeah. Keep trading, keep hustling, and I will see you guys in the next video. If you like such videos, please hit the like button. Click the subscribe button if you haven't already. I was looking at YouTube analytics and it shows me that almost 80% of my viewers are not subscribed to my channel, which is really sad. So do hit the subscribe button, keeps me extremely motivated, and I will see you guys in the next one. Until then, take care. Bye bye.